2012 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, Bluetooth, FWD, power windows, passenger airbag, compass, remote power door locks, trip computer, daytime running lights, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, heads-up display, power mirrors, privacy glass. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.